Well, the project's finally finished. I needed to make some storage back here, so back here, and then get to my stuff, get to my sign, get all my Mustang parts ready. And then when it's all done, and I need to shut it, bring it back to the middle. And it's done. Turned out nice. As you can tell, up here at the top, my gears, those are, oops, sorry, timing gears. I knew I'd come in some handy use for them. Just easier to see. And I used the chain and connected a couple of chains that I had, and then I just welded. I've welded on the back side of the chains to keep them in place. So I've got two different timing gears. I think this is a timing set off of a Vortec motor, and this is a 350 Chevy. Anyway, yep, finally, it's done.